Kinsta versus FastComet. Which offers better WordPress management? That's the question we're diving into today, and trust me, there are some surprises ahead. By the end of this video, you'll know which one might be right for your WordPress needs, but here's a heads up, neither of these options might be your best bet. Let's start by looking at Kinsta. Kinsta offers premium managed WordPress hosting with a focus on speed and reliability. Their custom-built infrastructure, using Google Cloud Platform, means you get excellent performance, especially if you're running high-traffic websites. Kinsta's dashboard is sleek, easy to use, and has features designed to make managing your WordPress site a breeze. Next thing, pricing. Kinsta isn't cheap. In fact, it's on the higher end of managed WordPress hosting. While the performance and support are top tier, the cost might be a deal breaker for small businesses or personal bloggers who are just starting out. If budget is a concern, Kinsta might not be your first choice unless you really need the performance. The third thing, customer support. Kinsta shines here. Their support team is available 24/7 via live chat, and the response times are quick. They also provide a level of expertise that's hard to beat. However, the downside here is that because Kinsta is positioned as a premium service, you might have to wait for the right level of support if you're on a lower tier plan. Moving on to FastComet. FastComet also offers managed WordPress hosting, but it's positioned more as a budget-friendly alternative. One of the major selling points for FastComet is that their pricing is much more accessible compared to Kinsta. For the same type of service, FastComet is often half the price of Kinsta's plans. The fifth thing to consider is the performance. While FastComet does offer solid uptime and speed, it's not as fast as Kinsta. The performance is good for the price, but if you're running a high-traffic or resource-intensive site, Kinsta's Google Cloud infrastructure will likely give you a better experience. FastComet's performance is reliable, but don't expect Kinsta-level speed. Next, let's talk about the dashboard. FastComet's interface is simple and user-friendly, but it doesn't feel as polished as Kinsta's. If you're someone who wants a visually appealing, intuitive dashboard for managing your WordPress site, Kinsta takes the edge here. FastComet's dashboard works fine, but it's more basic. Now, the big thing you need to know: support. FastComet has solid customer support, but it's not quite as high-touch as Kinsta's. You'll get support via live chat, tickets, and phone, but the response times can be slower, especially on their lower-tier plans. While the support is adequate, it's just not at the level of Kinsta. So, which one is better? Kinsta or FastComet for WordPress management? Well, both have their merits, but neither is perfect. Kinsta offers superior performance and customer support, making it a strong option for businesses or large-scale WordPress users who need the best. However, the price can be steep, and unless you're willing to invest, it might be overkill. On the other hand, FastComet is a solid, more affordable option. It's good for smaller websites or those on a budget, but it doesn't offer the same level of performance or support as Kinsta. If you're looking for a balance between cost and quality, FastComet might fit the bill. But here's the thing. After testing both, I've found a better alternative. If you're looking for a WordPress host that combines great performance with excellent value, there's one I'd recommend over both of these. If you want to find out more, check out the first link in the description. With that link, you'll get access to a free trial and exclusive benefits that I've worked out just for you. All in all, Kinsta and FastComet are both solid choices, but if you're looking for the best overall WordPress management experience, I'd suggest giving that alternative a try.